We're in Nashville, Tennessee at the ACTE National Conference 2025.
This is for anybody in career and technical education, whether you're in healthcare, agriculture, or what we do, industrial maintenance, automation, mechatronics, and HVAC.
This year we're focusing on high school education with our IGNITE program and certification for HVAC excellence.
Right now, this is the hottest topic, I think, in career and technical education. Is what we're seeing in the HVAC industry right now is the workforce is aging out of the market at the same time when technology in this market is really changing rapidly.
We have new refrigerants coming to the industry. We have new technologies coming to the industry. It's very important for our educational programs to be prepared for those.
Yeah, this is kind of what I'm envisioning.
Everybody's wanting curriculum for HVAC. They're wanting new training systems. They're wanting a way to insert faults.
So it's important to be able to have equipment that not only the educators can learn on, but be able to transfer that knowledge to the classroom just as comfortably.
The topics that people want us to talk about with them is how do we really boost up our high school CTE program? IGNITE does that very well. There are a total of 6 different technical semesters that students can go through. They learn everything from AC/DC electrical to pneumatics into programming robots and PLCs, network communication, data analytics, smart manufacturing, if you will. There's also, if you have time, go to the back end of the conference center. Our friends Technical Training Aids have the 48-foot trailer that is complete with technical training equipment, including Amatrol and DAC Worldwide equipment.
This particular trailer is highlighting advanced manufacturing and kind of the catch-all general career exploration. We've also done dedicated training trailers on HVAC or welding or machine tool technology. Those have been purchased primarily through the technical college system where they can deliver high-quality training to remote, underserved rural populations where they may not have access to it because of barriers of transportation or logistics.
There are equipment manufacturers, there are curriculum companies here, but Amatrol brings everything together.